person does not believe that Jamaica, we had a bobsled team.
We did actually
Yeah.
have a bobsled team.
No, I understand that Cool Runnings is inspired by a true story, but it's true that Jamaica has had a bobsled team since 1988. He doesn't believe this. He thinks that Jamaica only created a bobsled team recently because they wanted to boost the Blu-ray sales of the movie. I tried to show him actual video of the 1998 Jamaican bobsled crash, and he said it was a doctored video of a different country's bobsled team. He tried to show me a documentary style video he made pointing out all of the inaccuracies in the video compared to the actual competition. The video is called History's Greatest Lie, the Cool Runnings Hoax. Whenever I question him to a point where he can't counter my argument, he says something like, come on, you can't really believe that Jamaica had a bobsled team. It's a tropical country. They've never seen snow. It's too hot. How would they practice? He doesn't even believe in any other conspiracy theories either. He regularly makes fun of flat earth, moon landing, conspiracy theories, etc. I'm starting to get worried about him, and I can't just ignore it because he's devoting more and more time to unraveling the hoax. He's my best friend, and I really want to help him. How can I convince him that Cool Runnings was inspired by a true story?
How can you convince him? Find the name of the athletes, show him them. I'm sure there's pictures of them when they were doing the qualifying runs.
The thing with people though, bro, no matter how much evidence you show someone,
If they don't want to believe it, they just will not believe it.